Hello guys, welcome to my first video. I'm just using some canned corn on this fishing line, which I'll show you. Let's go on some carp fishing at a creek, at a bridge as well. So I'm just using this as just a size for octopus hook with just some corn kernels, and that's all. You see it? You see it? Oh my god. You got a fish hook, guys.
You got it.
Oh, this is the big one.
You got it. Oh, you got it.
Got a big carp, guys. Oh. Pass me the net. Oh my god, how am I supposed to pull this in?
Yes, you got it.
Oh.
Get it. Good job.
Sorry, fish. Oh crap. Honey.
Get it with the net.
Cut this carp, guys. Learn a trick that to stop a fish from flopping around, just close your eyes for a bit. I got it off. Take a photo.
I did.
No, another one. Take your phone with me. Now. Carp, guys. Pretty big. Say at least 45 centimeters.
I know you guys didn't see the carp in the video, so here's just a photo of it.
Good boy. Really try to put it back. Bugs everywhere. You have to put it in there, drop it in. That fish is fine. He had swam away. My thing is not. Shit. Yeah. It's not a good idea.